it's me, Dee, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to go through BoxyCharm's BoxyLuxe Star. So I'm not quite sure what the difference is, but we'll find out in just a few. All right, so it looks like upgrade to BoxyCharm Luxe. The average value is $395, and it's supposed to have 8 full-size items. So it seems kind of small. It's heavy, but it seems small. So we'll see. All right. This only lists 4 items. I mean, even with Boxy Base, you get 5. Interesting. All right, so the first thing here, my guess, these are makeup brushes. I have so many as it is, but I need to get rid of some of the older ones and such. So maybe this, oh, it's Luxy. I love Luxy brushes. This is a really nice set. All right, so it looks like that these Luxy, they're the glitter and gold brush set, and they're $85. Let's see here. I want to take one out and kind of get a feel of it. I like a little bit more weight in the brushes, but oh, the bristles are just, oh my goodness. And it has eye and face, which is pretty good. I do love Luxy, and I don't have this set of Luxy brush. I do have quite a few Luxy brush sets. So yeah, this is nice, and I didn't have to pay $85 for it, and I've been wanting this set. So hey, I'm still disappointed. Only 4 items. Boxy. Okay. The next thing is Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment from Sunday Riley. I know people swear by this stuff, and Sunday Riley. This is multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment, rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. And this is normally $85, so this stuff is not cheap. I will try it out. My wife will probably get more use for it. Next, Spongele Salted Rose Mani Pedi Treatment Set. Oh, I do really love their products. And this is $18. Let's see here. It's got a salted rose mani treatment set. You treat your dry hands and tired feet, infused with a skin softening formula and soothing extracts of peppermint and sea kelp. These buffers are the solution to silky polished hands and feet. Let's see here. It's fragranced. Yep. Woo! Comes with these 2. Separately. I think this is really going to be nice. I could see nice baths and pampering yourself with this. Yes. But, And last but not least is a Hip Dop C Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. Unleash your inner goddess with alluring blues and gleaming golds. This is a $30 value. I did not get $395 value. I did not get 8 full-size products, folks. I'm going to have to contact Boxy and see what's up. But, not really colors that I wear. It's a nice palette, though. I will, sit here and we could swatch it at least, right? I mean, this is so pathetic, this box. But hey, let's check out Rain. Not too bad. I've not always been impressed with Hip Dot. So they've usually, like this, it's not pigmented. That's Bedrock. Ojo's. It's okay. It's like, I'm not happy. There's some beautiful colors. I'm not even sure if I want to bother doing this anymore. Well, let's get to their shimmers here. We have Escape, another shimmer, which is gold, yellow. That came out. That one, the shimmers are looking nice, but I don't know how they'll play out well. It's interesting. All right, and let's try Limestone. There's limestone. Melt water. That is a gorgeous color, but it's kind of transparent. It looked better. Maya. Kind of not fully pigmented enough, but hey. It's something, you know. All right, the next color is Goddess. I really like this one. I like that color. Cave. And that Cave is a shimmer. This is like a real gold. That would look good on some people. And let's see here. We got Subsurface. This is a matte. Just a matte brown. We got Jungle. Now Jungle, the color is not what I expect for Jungle. I would expect this for like ocean or beach, but that shimmer down there is Jungle. Yeah. Confused too? Let me know. Let me know what you're thinking of this. Then Ancient. This looks like it would be a beautiful color, but it's got to be hard to wear. That's my guess. See how gorgeous that is? Me know. Sacred is a matte. I think it's supposed to be almost like a black, but it's kind of a dark gray, I guess. It's okay. And we got two more colors in here. Spirit. And Tulum. Tulum looks pretty cool. You can't really tell here, but there's like silver speckles in that. And it looks like it's supposed to be a midnight blue, but it looks more black on. So I don't know. I don't know. Not a fan. I'll probably put this on my Mercury, you know, where you sell my makeup. My link will be down below. I'd understand if the starter set, you paid less for it, but you don't. So I'm going to be vocal. And while I'm here, you know what we'll do? Since this video is not too short. I ordered, because I did not get Ipsy in October. And I realized that I really liked the bag itself. But I couldn't get the Glam Plus bag, but I was able to get the Glam bag. So here is October Ipsy. And I'm excited to see this. Ooh. See, this bag, look at that. And it's just your magic. I love the eye and everything. It is really gorgeous. I love it. And so this is just going to have like sample items. So I'm not sure if I'm going to have all the prices for these, but we're going to review this. Let's see here. We have the Timeless Beauty Bar Face the Day Soothing Restoring Sheet Mask. There's two of them in here. And two different fragrances. I love trying face masks. I love using them. They've been so nice. Let's see what makeup I got in here. All right. It comes with all 5 items. All right. I love the balm. The balm is fun. This is a blush, Willpower. They're just so fun. The packaging and everything. And this blush would look good on me. Oh, don't you think? Yes. I'm going to test this out. You know what? I'm not going to swatch it because I got black still. I can't get the black off from that eyeshadow palette. And we have Skin Regime Microalgae Essence Illuminating Lotion. I think my wife might like this. She'll put this in her purse when she goes to work. And we got from Lottie London Slay All Day Longwear Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's a little tiny sample, but it is definitely a color that I would wear and try. And it's really sealed tight, so I'm not going to open it until I use it. And we have Dolce Ultra Precision Eyeliner. Let's see this. This is... I might be able to use this eyeliner. It's not like super dark or anything, which is fine by me. So I'm glad I got this this was just $8, and I got all this stuff, and it's stuff that, yeah, I can use. And I love this faux leather bag so much, because I could store some of my tarot cards in here when I go around, or I could put other little oracle cards or something, just keep some crystals in here. It's useful, it's cute, and I want to use this. So this was just like a whole lot of blah, wah, wah, wah. Wasn't it though? I'm gonna contact Boxy, and if I do hear back from them, I will leave some text notes down below to let you know what they're saying, if I'm gonna get any more products that are owed to me, or if the starter box is this much of a ripoff. And if it is, don't do it. Just don't. Okay? I love you all. Thank you for sitting here chilling with me today. And if you go on to Lunar Blessings, I'm going to be unboxing the next Queen of Darkness spooky box, and I love those, and I'll see you there. Bye.